L Brands jumping nearly 5% today. The retailer reportedly meeting with investment banks to explore its options as it remains weighed down by Victoria's Secret. The company also reported earnings this week and got an upgrade to a hold over at Evercore. So what could be next here for L Brands? Grasso.
All these companies, they have to figure out some sort of a strategy to save them. So if you look at this and you overlay it, every other stock in retail popped the same time L Brands popped. And it keeps short sellers on their heels. I don't know what's in store, but this has been rumored for a while. And the stock has been obliterated before this.
Yeah, so you look at how the stock traded over the last month or so. $16 has been your support level, so at least you can shoot against that. I mean, this stock has been a disaster for the last several years. So if you want to try to bottom fish, I don't think the risk reward is that bad. But then you have to ask the question is, let's just say they get some kind of a deal, some kind of a buyout. What's the premium on that? I would be surprised if it's very, very high. So I think you have limited reward for a known risk.
Who could buy it? Who would buy it?
I mean, look, there are brands there that are worth something, though, and I think Bath and Body Works as well. I mean, I think this seems like private equity to me. This does seem like, you know, where you have to do some of the parts, look at the brands, make them more profitable, bring them back through different distribution. Why have they failed? Probably because the mall has failed, because the distribution channel has failed, and maybe they haven't kept up with the times. But I'm surprised we haven't run some gratuitous, you know, L Brands footage at this point.
I was just talking about that the other day when they reported.
Why don't we do that anymore?
We have an opportunity because we're no longer because we've risen above. You know,
we have.
I'd like to think we have. It's also a Friday show.
If you listen to the early part of our show, I would say we didn't really rise above based upon that Tesla conversation.
Balls.
Just